In this video, we'll show you how to change the Serpentine belt kit on your Dodge Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Dodge Ram 1500 Car Battery. Before proceeding with the replacement of the Serpentine belt, we recommend taking a picture or to draw the path of the belt around the different pulleys in order to position it correctly later. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, loosen the belt by turning the Serpentine belt tensioner counterclockwise. Meanwhile, remove the belt from the tensioner. Then from the various pulleys. You can now remove the belt. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. When changing the belt, you should also replace the tensioner pulley. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the Serpentine belt tensioner. Then remove the tensioner. You can order the Serpentine belt kit used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the belt tensioner, put it back in its place, then screw the bolt back in roughly by hand. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Take the new Serpentine belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new belt around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To put it completely back in place, it is sometimes necessary to get help. Turn the Serpentine belt tensioner counterclockwise and secure the belt with both hands if necessary. Then release the belt tensioner to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.